Hi, my name is Carl Reinders. I'm the IT director here at R&R Insurance Services in Waukesha, Wisconsin. R&R Insurance has been in business since the mid-1970s, and I've been at R&R Insurance for about 25 years. We have about 175 employees spread over 4 locations, and we cover everything from commercial insurance to personal lines to life and health insurance. We were looking for a solution to comply with some of the HIPAA regulations. We got in touch with Assurex Global, which is an organization that we use to talk to other agencies our size. And the recommendation came down to check out RPost. And as we looked over RPost, we noticed that they had a very, very simple solution. It was very easy for our employees to take a look at it. Very little training was required. There was no special software required for the end user at the recipient side. It was end-to-end encryption right from our desktop all the way out to the recipient's workstation. And it delivered to us a receipt that is legally admissible in court that proves what we sent, when we sent it, and who it was sent to. The installation was extremely simple. We actually worked with RPost to try and script some of that installation so we didn't have to touch each workstation. They were very helpful in working through that with us. So that whole process was pretty simple. We encrypt most of the email that goes out to the carriers or to our customers simply because we're talking about confidential information and it needs to be taken care of that way. I also use registered email, not the encryption part, but the registered option, to work with some of my vendors who are sometimes rather difficult to deal with. And when they know somebody's watching, they pay a little closer attention and respond a little bit better. So I've used that as well. Once we began using RPost, we noticed a marked decrease in the number of express mail packages that were being sent from our agency. For example, our health insurance department used to have to express mail all of the applications to the carriers just because of the HIPAA compliance issues. Now they simply scan everything into our document management system and email them via RPost to the carrier, and we don't have a compliance issue anymore because of the encryption.